Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. And this is our finished product, and we will show you how we did it. Let's jump into it. Okay everybody, today we are drawing Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon because the movie's coming out. Okay, and we're going to draw a cute version of Toothless. So, Toothless, we're going to draw him having a pretty big head right here, and then his body's going to come down like this. Okay, so we got to make room for his body by drawing his head about right here. Okay, Noah?
Okay, right here?
Yep. So I like to start with a big arch. Okay, so
like
just
this?
Yep, watch it. Just an upside down U. Like that. And then two spikes in the middle like this. Two like little horns.
Like a demon.
Like a demon. Kind of looks like an upside down Dracula smile. Okay, and then next what we're going to do is we're going to do his other horns. They're going to start not quite at the edge of this arch that we made, but a little bit inside like this. Okay, so it's going to come up and it's going to look kind of like a, almost like a banana.
Is it a wing?
Oh, like a wing. The other side, up. Yep, perfect. Good job.
Those are his ears, right?
Mm-hmm. Those are the side of his face.
Like a...
Kind of like his, yeah. Just like that. Perfect.
Like outlines.
Mm-hmm.
Like right.
Yep, and then he has another horn or ear or whatever you want to call it. Kind of looks like an axolotl. If you, once he's all done, I'll show you.
There goes his wings.
Yep, there are more horns. And then now we're going to draw from here. We're going to draw kind of like the rest of his face. Okay? Like this. Here we go.
That looks like a man.
Nice. And then here, there are two more little horn things. Just like this.
Ears, right?
Yeah, maybe they're ears. Not quite sure what they are.
No.
Okay, now I'll draw a little snout that looks like this. Nice, perfect. That looks exactly like mine. And then we're going to draw two little nostrils. Like this. 1, 2. Right underneath that snout that we drew. Mm-hmm. And then from here, in between the two horns that we drew at the very first, we're going to draw little circles or ovals that go down like this. These are actually almost like little spine things that go down in the front of his face. I'm just going to draw 3 of them like that. Nice. Now we're ready for his eyes. Okay, so we're going to draw his eyelids first. Okay, so we're going to start here on the side and make a big arch that curves inward towards his snout. Okay, so it looks like this. Curves inward and down. And then the same thing on this side. Curves inward.
It's like he's closing his eyes.
Kind of looks like it now, but we're going to draw the rest in here in a second.
Like,
perfect, just like that. And then right here, not at the edge of this line, but a little bit in. So I'm going to draw a little guide point starting right there and starting right there. We're going to draw a big swoop to make his big round eye. And then now we're going to draw his the irises of his eye, or the pupils.
irises?
Yep, look at like this.
That were irises.
They're the colored part of your eye.
Eyes are green.
Mm-hmm. And then now we're going to draw the reflection. And then we're coloring the rest. I'm going to try to make this go out a little bit, okay? Because I want to fix it. I made this eye a little bit smaller than this eye, and we use paint markers, so we can fix that with a little bit of our paint marker, okay? All right, you ready for the next part?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to start here, and we're going to draw his neck. So here's a guide point, right here, and right here. Where we're going to start with his neck. Okay, so we're going to go down and out.
It's kind of like the penguin video.
Down and out.
It's kind of like the penguin video.
Okay, and right here we're going to draw his front legs. They're going to come in like this, go down past the line that we drew before. This one's going to go down past the line that we drew before. That.
Like triangles.
Mm-hmm.
That.
Good. And then now we're going to draw in like this, in like this, and then connect these. And then connect those, connect those.
Connect those and connect those.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Okay, and now right here on his front legs right here that you made, we're going to draw his little fingernails. Bump, bump,
Where?
bump, bump. Right here. Bump, bump.
Bump, bump,
And then right here on the
bump,
others. Right there too.
bump, bump, bump.
Okay, and then on the outside ones too, right here and right here.
What, where? I was like, what?
Right here on the outer ones. So bump, 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 bump. So you could do it on the outer ones too.
Bump, bump. Wait, 2 versus 4 feet?
Yep. Okay, and now we're going to draw his wings, okay? So we're going to start kind of by his shoulders, and they're going to come out like this.
My Toothless looks cuter than yours.
I like your Toothless a lot.
Like
Okay, so it's going to look kind of like an upside down V, like this. Up and down. Can you do that?
up.
Yep, just like that. And then on the other side. So you do it on one side, and you do it on the other side.
Up,
And down. Perfect, just like that.
down. That
And
makes
then-
that one up.
That's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. We could always get better and better. And then we do that and come to a point.
What are wings?
Perfect. And then we'll draw a little bump, bump, bump,
Bump,
bump,
bump,
bump, bump.
bump,
And then connect this point
bump, bump,
to these.
bump. Like triangles?
Mm-hmm. Good wings. I like them. Okay, and now on his arms, you could draw little circles to kind of indicate that he has like some texture to his skin. Look at that. Nice. Perfect. And there's our Toothless. You ready to color him in? All right.
There is your Toothless.
There is our Toothless. I like how you did the grass. And I also, you gave him little heart antennas.
Yeah.
I love it.
No, it's a headband.
Heart headband. Okay, well, we hope you guys had fun. Give it a thumbs up.
Uh-huh.
And thanks for drawing with us. We'll see you next time.
See ya.